Hi writers, we are trying something new this week with a Monday morning book marketing minute with Megan. And it's an opportunity to quickly connect with everybody and share something that we are seeing is working for some of our authors and that might work for you. Now, this week's suggestion is that as you are marketing your books, whether it's just in the editing stage or it's already been brought to market, we're suggesting that you share the details of what's happening behind the scenes with your book. So for example, if you are just at the editing stage, but you're talking to other future readers about your book, tell them something that you've learned about writing that you've been working on with your editor that might be a little bit specific to your book, rather than just a general, yes, my book's with the editor now. If your book is already getting ready to go into the marketplace or it's already on shelves, share a cool story or something that somebody direct messaged you about, or a connection that you've made that you never anticipated making. The more specific or the more detail that you can share with your readers about what's happening behind the scenes with your book, the more readers are going to feel connected to you versus just high-level things that they might not be able to relate to. So stay connected with your readers, share the details.